Hello and welcome to this mini wild thing flow. When you're ready, we're going to come through to an easy seat. And as we come through to the sit bones, we'll take a gentle circle spiral. Casually beginning to bring the shoulders over the sit bones. And we'll begin to explore a bit of a seated cat. Imagine that left hand coming onto the right, and we'll tuck and round. Taking the heart forward, beginning to take a half cactus with that left arm. Left hand rising, we'll take that hand right back, tucking and rounding, side cat. Opening up. Left arm rising, we'll take it back and round. Half cactus with that left arm, gaze can follow. We'll take the left hand up towards the sky. Left hand coming down towards the earth, sweeping that right arm up, side stretch. Like a little pulse or rock here. Right hand coming onto that left, then we'll twist. Left arm coming across, tucking and rounding. We'll begin to unfurl, taking a full cactus. Arms rising. Left hand coming down, right arm on top, tucking and rounding, side cat. Opening up. Right hand rising, coming right back down. Heart coming forward, we'll peel that right arm. And beginning to rise, coming right back down. Heart coming forward, final round, opening. Right hand up towards the sky and then down towards the earth. Lifting that left arm up. Pulsing and rocking here. And we'll twist. Left hand coming onto that right thigh, right hand behind. Bring that right hand across, we'll tuck and round. And we'll cactus, beginning to open up. Beautiful hands beginning to rise up and then sweeping down by our side, unfurling the legs. And we'll casually take a windshield. So imagine the edges of the heels or the soles of the feet beginning to windshield side to side. Your sit bones will dance forward and back. Soles of the feet to the earth will begin to straighten that right leg, beginning to invite that left knee down. As we arrive here, we'll fold over that right limb. Hands can be framing or on top. You might even get hold of the foot. If you get hold of the foot, imagine the fingertips coming onto the pinky edge, giving you a little bit more leverage. Taking a gentle sway or rock here. We'll lift our torso. Now we can begin to take that twist, right hand onto the left. You're beginning to explore a mini wild thing, planting that left hand, starfish fingers, staying or pressing, coming up, opening up the side of the body. Maybe we take that half cactus with that right arm. And we'll begin to release all the way down, folding over that right leg. And again, we'll begin to open, twist, or your mini wild thing. Releasing down, folding over that right limb. And we'll begin to lift, beginning to bend that right knee, arm coming onto the inside. We can stay, left hand out to the side. And we'll come back through our center, hands coming behind us, unfurling, and then coming back through to that windshield wipe. We'll begin to straighten that left leg, right ankle coming down. We'll fold. Lifting the torso. Again, we can commit to the twist or that mini wild thing. Air guitar with that left arm, maybe a half cactus. And we'll begin to release, flowing over that left leg. Beginning to rise, twist or mini wild thing. And beginning to release and fold. We'll as we begin to lift our torso, bending that left knee, hands coming onto the inside. Right hand staying on the thigh, beginning to open, gaze can follow. And we'll begin to come back through center, hands coming behind, unfurling. We'll begin to edges or soles, windshield wiping. Letting the knees gravitate over towards the left. We'll linger here for a moment. And beginning to come back through and then over towards the right. And back through center, soles of the feet going forward and then through to our easy seat, making a gentle circle spiral. Hands coming together at the heart. Bowing the head to the hands in gratitude for investing in your well-being and your practice. And thank you for taking this mini warrior yoga flow with me.